House, apartment, townhouse up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with covered parking garage ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po ang details at video ng nabisit nating bahay na locate sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Ito yung kanyang kusina, may built-in cabinets na rin. Ito naman ang kanyang bathroom, merong flush at merong shower. Up and down, very spacious na bahay with 2 bedrooms. Ito naman yung 2 kwarto. Sa taas, may provision na para sa window type and split type na aircon. And yes ma'am, yes sir, it's inside subdivision, good community and flood-free location. Good for family, yes kids, and yes pets allowed, and yes parking. Ito naman yung kanyang master bedroom na may built-in cabinets na rin. House apartment with covered parking garage. Townhouse, 2-story with 2 bedrooms. Yes ma'am, yes sir. Near highway, near school and market. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating page. Ito po pala ang update sa mga paupang bahay ngayong June 2025. Ito po ang vacant and open. House apartment, townhouse, up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, with covered parking garage, may sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. House apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines.